Hi, everyone. Welcome to our course on Quick App and the HMS ecosystem. This course is divided into two parts, which answer the questions: what is Quick App, and why should we choose Quick App? First, let's see what Quick App is. Quick App is a new installation-free app form from the development based on industry standards. It provides the same experience as native apps. Up to now, more than 12 major smartphone vendors support Quick Apps. The number of devices that support Quick Apps worldwide has reached 2 billion, accounting for more than 40% of the market share. Being installation-free, Quick Apps have many advantages. Next, we'll look at the main 3 advantages in detail. 1. Low development costs. Quick Apps are developed mainly using the JavaScript or CSS language. Therefore, development is easier and the amount of coding required is only about 1/5 of that of native apps. 2. Good native experience. Quick Apps are natively rendered and can access system capabilities. 3. High retention rate. When a user accesses a Quick App, they will be prompted to add the app to the home screen, allowing you to remind the user to use the app again using methods such as push messages. Quick Apps support various entries, mainly content entries and service entries. Content entries include HUAWEI App Gallery, Quick App Center, and HUAWEI Browser. You can release your Quick App to App Gallery or Quick App Center for users to find and direct users to add the app to the home screen during use. You can also use deep links to promote your Quick App on social media and web pages, or define your Quick App as a card in HUAWEI Assistant and the global search function. Quick App provide end-to-end experience, covering finding, launching, using, and exiting Quick Apps. The tap and use process is comfortably smooth. Quick Apps can be found in App Gallery via a deep link in the HUAWEI Assistant or in the global search function. Quick Apps are installation-free and support automatic upgrade. A Quick App can be launched directly through a deep link and occupies a small amount of space. In addition, they also provide superior performance because they are natively rendered. Quick Apps feature smooth interactivity because they can access system capabilities. Not to mention, they have a well-designed UIs. After user accesses a Quick App, they access it again through entries such as the home screen icon, recently used, My Quick Apps, and Push. Let's move on to why we should choose Quick Apps. By now, 350 million HUAWEI devices support the Quick Apps globally, with monthly active users reaching 42 million. The figure is still growing at an incredible rate of 50% per quarter. According to our statistics, users use Quick Apps for an average of 14 minutes every day. The most notable advantage of Quick Apps is their performance. Compared with HTML5 and native Android apps, Quick App have performance edges in download and setup time, latency, package size, and running memory, especially in download time and package size. These are all made possible by the installation-free feature. Another reason to choose Quick Apps is low development costs. Time required for development is significantly shortened thanks to the good native support. As you can see, it takes only 1 week to develop a Quick App. Using or Quick Tablet to develop an HTML5 app only takes 1 hour. The last advantage of Quick Apps is that their distribution knows on borders. Soon, more than 170 countries and regions will support this service. Wherever there is App Gallery, they will be Quick Apps. Now that we know the advantages of Quick Apps, we can look at how to develop them. Hi everyone, welcome to our course on Quick App in the HMS ecosystem. In this course, you will learn the complete procedure of developing a Quick App. The Quick App we are going to develop today is a web browser. We will look at its functions first, and then learn how to prepare the development environment. Finally, we will examine the code in detail and come through the development process. Let's start developing your own web browser. Much of our phone use is made up of browsing web pages and searching for information. A web browser is the key to these functions. Let's look at the functions of the browser we are about to develop and all the details of the development process. The browser provides 4 main functions. The first is searching for results using the search engine. The second is displaying web pages through input URLs. The third is displaying a web page by scanning a QR code. Finally, there is a displaying the last visited web page when a user reopens the browser. This is a demo of a Quick App that functions as a web browser. When you open the Quick App, a web page is displayed. You can enter keywords in the text box at the top to search for related pages. When you tap a result, the linked web page is displayed. You can also go back. Next, let's scan a QR code. The Quick App opens the web page using the link from the QR code. Exit the Quick App and open it again. The last visited page is displayed. These are the main functions we need to implement for the Quick App. Let's move on to preparing the development environment. What are the tools required for Quick App development? The first is Node.js. Ensure that you have installed it. If you have not or your version is earlier than 6.0.0, download the latest Node.js version from its official website and install it. Do not install Node.js 8.0.0, as errors may occur due to incompatibility. Next, install HUAWEI Quick App IDE. Open the HUAWEI developer website. Go to Distribute, then Quick Apps, and click Learn More. Here, you can find the installation guide. The document describes how to download and install HUAWEI Quick App IDE. Currently, HUAWEI Quick App IDE supports Windows and macOS. Note that installing a later version on macOS does not overwrite the installed earlier version. You need to uninstall the earlier version first. Click the IDE icon to open it. You can see the UI layout of the tool. This is the folder structure area. This is the coding editing area. These are the toolbar and menu bar at the top. Open HUAWEI Quick App IDE. Go to File, then New Object, and then New Quick App Project. On the page that is displayed, enter the app information, including the app name, package name, and project path. The folder of the created project is then opened. The folder contains the UX file, manifest JSON file, and some other folders. We will look at the functions of the UX file and manifest JSON file. The UX file is used to store code of core app functions. The manifest JSON file contains configuration declarations of the app. That's all for preparing the development environment, which is easy to master. Next, we will learn how to develop your own web browser. Before getting started, you need to learn the basic knowledge for developing a Quick App. Here are 4 concepts that you need to know about. 1. Template tag. Similar to the HTML tag language. The template tag is used to define the page layout and basic modules. 2. Style tag. This tag defines the styles of some components in the template tag. The components will be displayed as defined. 3. Script tag. This tag is used to define page data and manage LiveCircle APIs. It determines specific functions and triggered events of components. 4. Minifies the file. This file is in JSON format. Defines related configurations and declares the components providing required basic capabilities. Let's move on to defining the template tag for our web browser. First, add a template tag to the UX file. In this tag, you can see that there is a container class which contains the basic layout of the web browser. The layout consists of the header and contact sections. The header section defines the scan QR button, a text box, and the search button. The content section contains a web tag, which is a main web view component. We can see that in different sections, methods have been defined for triggering events. After the web browser layout is defined, let's look at how to optimize the browser. You need to adjust the width, height, and style of each area. We use the style tag to do so. In the tag, CSS code is used. Take the search button as an example. Define its width to 20% of that of the parent layout, and set the height to 88 pixels. In this way, the size of the button is fixed. You can also adjust other attributes to put all components in the proper positions with the proper styles. Let's move on to the script tag. Write the code for implementing basic functions of the web browser. In this tag, you can see some basic methods for implementing these functions, including the methods for web view initialization, user input post-processing, search processing after keyword retrieval, redirection to a web page based on scanned QR code, returning to previous web page, and saving data upon web view exit. This is the code contained in the script tag. The preceding code is written in the UX file. The next part is the manifest JSON file. Since it is in JSON format, all configurations are defined in key value pairs in the file. The file contains the configurations of basic app functions. For the web browser project, you need to add required components to feature kits, including the storage components, QR code scanning function, and redirection function. Before using these functions, you must register and declare them in the manifest file. After learning the code structure of the Quick App, use the development tool to write the code for the web browser. First, open the UX file. This file contains the template tag, style tag, and script tag. The first step is to edit the code in the template tag. After expanding the template tag, you can see that the code here already implements the basic layout of a web browser. The layout consists of two sections, the header and content sections. The header section defines the QR code scanning button, text box, and search button. The content section contains a web tag, which is used to display the entire web page. The second step is to edit the style file code. All style file code is written in the style tag. Code in the style tag is written in CSS, specifying the styles for components defined in the template tag. Take the QR code scanning button as an example. The class defined for the QR code scanning button is scan. Therefore, the scan defines the style of the QR code scanning button. In scan, the width of the QR code scanning button is defined as 20% of the parent layout, and the height is set to 88 pixels. Other attributes also help define the style of the button. The coding for other components is similar to that of the QR code scanning button. The third step is to edit script code. As you can see, the code is in the script tag. In this tag, write code for the basic functions included in this example. Take QR code scanning as an example. You need to define a scan method, which implements basic functions of QR code scanning. Obtain the barcode system method declared in the manifest file to obtain the system capability. After obtaining the barcode instance, call the barcode API, that is, the scan method, to scan the QR code and generate some callbacks. Here are 4 callbacks: QR code obtaining success, QR code obtaining failure, scanning cancelled, and scanning completed. You need to take note of the callback of QR code scanning success. In this callback, you will receive a return value data. Check whether the return value data contains a character string starting with HTTP or HTTPS. If so, add the character string to the global variable, that is, the URL variable, and the web tag of the layout file above. The global variable URL is used. The variable can be used to obtain the corresponding web page. Let's move on to step 4. Edit the manifest file, which contains basic configurations of the app. The configurations include the app package name, version number, and version name. These configurations are automatically generated for the app. You need to pay attention to the features tag. Information in this tag is CVD key value pairs and used to call system capabilities. In this example, we need to call the storage, QR code scanning, and routing capabilities of the system. That's all for the coding part. Next, I will explain in detail how to compile the simple code on a mobile phone. This is the code we have written. Let's see how to debug the code. First, connect your mobile phone to your computer. If the connection fails, enable USB debugging in Developer Options. After the phone is successfully connected, the phone screen is displayed in HUAWEI Quick App IDE in real time. HUAWEI Quick App Loader is installed here for debugging and installing the Quick App. Select a debugging entry page and click the real-time compilation icon. The page loads in HUAWEI Quick App Loader. HUAWEI Quick App supports real-time editing. For example, you can change the app name and click the real-time compilation icons or press Ctrl and S. The app is quickly installed and the app name changes. This makes a Quick App debugging simple and convenient. Additional functions are supported. Check output logs in the log area and click the Inspect icon to perform inspections. After you click the icon, this page is displayed. This is the Chrome debugger. You can view pages in the Quick App and perform operations in real time. Finally, let's see how the code runs on the real device. After connecting your mobile phone to the computer, select the project and click the real-time compilation icon. The app will be installed on your mobile phone. By default, the web page on HUAWEI Quick App on the official website is opened. According to the layout that has been configured, the QR code scanning button, text box, and search button are displayed. Enter a keyword in the text box and click Search. Click the Search Without Web. The web page introducing the web tag is displayed. The back button of your phone is also simulated here. Click it, and the previous page is displayed. Click it again, and you are back on the home page of the Quick App. Next, scan the QR code. After the scanning is successful, the page specified by the QR code is displayed. Click the icon in up right to exit the Quick App and go back to HUAWEI Quick App Loader. Open the Quick App again The page last visited is displayed. Finally, let's package the app. Go to Tools, then Certificate, to manage and generate certificates. A pop-up message is displayed in the lower right corner. Click Create to create a certificate. The procedure is similar to that in Android Studio. Enter required information and click Create to generate a certificate. HUAWEI Quick App IDE then creates a signed folder, under which the release folder stores the certificate file. Keep the certificate key secure, as it cannot be restored once lost. After the certificate is created, go to Build, then Run Release. A dialog box is displayed, containing the certificate information. Click OK. A success log is generated in the log area, and a dist folder is generated under the project. In the folder, an RPK file is created, which is the package of the Quick App. You can load the file on HUAWEI Quick App Loader. Let's review the process of developing a Quick App. We have checked the project structure, finished coding, run the app on a real device for debugging, and generated the app package. By experiencing the entire process of developing a web browser using basic Quick App capabilities in HUAWEI Quick App Loader, you can now see how fast a Quick App can be developed and how high its performance is. Thanks for your time.